Hello, welcome to today's video. Right, today's video is I'm going to be picking the semi-finalist for Katrina's Mindful Crafts and More giveaway. 50 for me and 50 for you. So the only things that I wanted was for you to be subscribed not only to my channel but also to Katrina's. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn you around and we're going to pick the winner. I need to check that the winner is subscribed to both our channels, so please bear with me. As you know, if you enter my giveaways, I don't show the winners, all the winners, who they're subscribed to, because, you know, that's their business really. I don't like to share that. So without further ado, let's turn the computer, no Linda, turn the camera round to the computer and let's pick our semi-finalist. Okay, so as you can see, I've got the video up and I'm just going to copy the link, go to random.org, and let me just close that and then paste it into there. Filter cut duplicate users. I didn't have a comment. I need to answer the sum. Let me just see if I can, there we go. Answer the question, the sum, which is 12. And we had 155 comments. And so, good luck everybody. So, ooh, Joyce 78040. Thank you for the opportunity to win. So I need to go and check that she is actually subscribed, so I'll be back in a minute, guys. Okay, so she's a member of my channel, she's a subscriber of my channel, and she is a subscriber of Katrina's as well. So congratulations, Joyce. Okay, Joyce, so congratulations. What I need for you to do, you have 7 days to email me to let me know that you are the winner, the semi-finalist for the 5 for you and 5 for me, 50 for you and 50 for me, sorry. I really do need you to email me. Anybody who knows Joyce, please, you know, let her know. And because you've got 7 days, if you haven't contacted me within 7 days, Joyce, I have to pick another semi-finalist. So please contact me. My email address is in the description box below. It's LASimpson60, don't forget the 60 @gmail.com. I will put it here. It's either be up there or up there, but please email me. And congratulations, Joyce, you are my semi-finalist. So I'm so excited and I can't wait to hear from you. Then I can pass your name, send your name to Katrina, and you're in with a chance of winning. So thank you to each and every one of you who has not only subscribed to myself but also to Katrina. For everybody who took part, you've got to be in it to win it, guys. So thank you. So once again, congratulations, Joyce, if you can email me and within 7 days, so that I need your email. I need you to have received an email by next Thursday, which is the 25th of August. So that's all from me for now. Take care, stay safe, and as I always say, guys, be kind to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.